Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of effortless curls and styling tools that deliver long-lasting results, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be talking about the JHD Curve Professional Hair Curling Irons and Wands. Now let's dive into what this tool has to offer. The JHD Curve Curling Iron comes with a 1.25-inch ceramic-coated barrel that promises voluminous curls, designed to cater to all hair types. Featuring ultra-zone technology, it adapts to your hair's needs for personalized styling, ensuring consistent and even results every time. The tool reaches an optimal temperature of 365 degrees Fahrenheit, a heat setting that minimizes damage while providing excellent curl definition. It heats up in just 25 seconds, which means no more waiting around for your styling tool to be ready. Additionally, it boasts a protective cool tip to ensure safety as you curl. And after 30 minutes of non-use, it automatically enters sleep mode. The 360-degree swivel cord allows for easy movement, and the universal voltage means you can take it anywhere in the world. When testing the JHD Curve curling iron, I was impressed by how quickly it heated up. The 365-degree temperature is noticeably gentle on the hair, but still creates long-lasting curls. I tried a few different styles, from loose waves to tighter curls, and the results were consistent across the board. One of the things I liked most was the smooth glide of the ceramic barrel. No tugging or pulling on the hair. It was also surprisingly lightweight, which made styling more comfortable for longer periods. However, one thing I did notice is that the barrel is on the smaller side at 1.25 inches, which might not be ideal for those looking for big, voluminous curls. It works best for softer waves or tighter curls, so keep that in mind depending on your styling preferences. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, this curling iron is quick to heat up, provides great styling control with ultra-zone technology, and has that handy automatic sleep mode for safety. The ceramic barrel creates smooth curls without damage, and it's really easy to use thanks to the 360-degree swivel cord. On the downside, while the barrel size is perfect for those aiming for tight curls or waves, it's a bit limiting if you're hoping for bigger, more voluminous results. Additionally, at this price point, you might find similar performance in other tools, but none quite offer the same combination of safety features and customization. Is this review useful to you? If it is, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty enthusiasts can find this review too. When it comes to value for money, the JHD Curve Professional Hair Curling Iron delivers solid quality, but you are paying a premium for the brand name and its advanced technology. With a 2-year warranty and a host of thoughtful features like the cool tip and auto sleep mode, you're certainly investing in a tool built to last and to protect your hair. However, if you're on a budget, you might want to consider other options that deliver similar curl results without the extra cost. In comparison to other curling irons on the market, the JHD Curve stands out for its heat protection and ultra-zone technology. Some other models might heat up faster or offer more barrel sizes, but JHD's attention to hair safety and consistent styling gives it an edge over many competitors. The price might be higher than some alternatives, but for those who want precision and performance, this tool delivers where it counts. The build quality of the JHD Curve curling iron feels premium, with a solid feel in your hand and durable materials. The ceramic barrel is smooth, and the overall construction is designed to provide a long-lasting, safe styling experience. Over time, the tool continues to hold up well, and I don't foresee any issues with its durability. As for customer support, JHD offers a 2-year warranty, which reflects confidence in the product's durability. If you run into any issues, you're likely to have a good experience with their customer service team, though I didn't need to contact them myself during testing. For those considering alternatives, you could look at brands like Conair or T3, which offer similar features at lower price points. They may not have the exact same heat protection technology, but they still provide solid performance and long-lasting curls. To wrap things up, the JHD Curve Professional Hair Curling Iron offers great features like the 365-degree optimal styling temperature, fast heat-up time, and advanced technology that makes curling easier while minimizing hair damage. It's a perfect fit for those who want precise, long-lasting curls and are willing to invest in a high-quality tool. However, if you're looking for something that can handle bigger, more voluminous curls, or if you're on a tight budget, there are other options worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the GHD Curve Curling Iron, you can find the link in the comments box below. Let us know your thoughts if you already own one or if you're thinking about picking it up. Goodbye for now, and remember, stay fabulous with Beautyistic.